I'm just trying to cook so when the girls come home, they'll have something to eat. I don't know if most parents, y'all see my wall? Just like all my thoughts, what I'm feeling, what I'm thinking. See if you see your name up there. Oh, oh. But yeah. Like shit. I feel like shit for real. I ain't gonna even lie. Keep that shit above. I'm just not feeling well. So I'm just getting ready to cook before my kids get home from school. I want them to have some food, some dinner. You know. Do you cook before your kids get out of school? Or are you somewhere running the streets and not worrying about feeding your childrens? Or are you working and then do you cook? I'm a stay-home mom, so you know this is my job right here to make sure dinner is ready for children. I am a stay-home mom. I don't work. I don't have a job right now. I'm unemployed. Call it what you want to call it. But my children is straight. My household is straight. My lights on. We got a roof over our head, and I'm thankful. So guess what? Call it what you want to call it. Do you cook for your children? Bye.